Hey there, Genius Junkie fam! Welcome back to the channel where creativity meets design. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion by creating custom t-shirts using Canva. Whether you're designing for yourself, for gifts, or to sell, this tutorial will show you how to make eye-catching t-shirt designs from scratch. Let's get started. Setting up your canvas. First things first, log into Canva and click Create a Design. To start your t-shirt design, select Custom Size and set the dimensions to 14 by 18 inches. This is a typical size for a t-shirt print, giving you enough space to create a bold and clear design. You can adjust the dimensions later depending on your shirt size and design preference. Choosing a theme and design elements. Now, think about the theme or message you want your t-shirt to convey. Is it funny, inspirational, or simply stylish? Go to the Elements tab and search for graphics or icons that match your theme. For example, if you're designing a motivational t-shirt, search for elements like quotes, sunrise, or bold text. Drag and drop the elements you like onto your canvas. Play around with their size and position until you're happy with the layout. Remember, simplicity often makes for the best designs. Don't overcrowd your canvas. Adding text and typography. Now, let's add some text to your design. Click Text on the left menu and choose Add a Heading. Type in your slogan, quote, or any text you want on your t-shirt. Canva offers a wide variety of fonts, so take your time to choose one that fits your theme. You can mix and match fonts for a dynamic look. Just be sure they complement each other. Adjust the font size and color to make sure your text stands out but is still readable from a distance. Bold, high-contrast colors work great for t-shirts. Customizing colors and final touches. To make your t-shirt truly unique, customize the colors of your design elements. Click on each element or text box and use Canva's color picker to match your color scheme. If you're printing on a specific t-shirt color, consider how your design will look against that background. You can simulate this by changing the background color of your canvas to match your t-shirt color. Exporting your design. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export it. Click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose PNG for a high-quality image with a transparent background, which is ideal for t-shirt printing. Save the file to your computer, and your custom t-shirt design is ready for print. You can upload it to any print-on-demand service or take it to a local print shop. And that's how you design a custom t-shirt using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more creative tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.